What's up, guys? So here we are in the garage, having trouble closing the door. As you can see, I'm gonna press the close button and you'll see the blinker go about 10 blinks. Let's do it again. Now I'm holding it to close it, and when you let it go, it just goes back to open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Blink indicating the code for this issue. Alright guys, we're gonna troubleshoot this issue, and to start with we're gonna clean the sensors. Alright, so we're just gonna wipe it down, check to see if there's anything blocking sensors. Keep the other side wiped too, and make sure there's no blockage of the sensors. Alright, let's try it again. Let's try closing the door. Still we got a problem, guys. Right, we're gonna troubleshoot and check out the wires. Obviously here it's evidence that the wires have been tampered with. I don't know why it's been reconnected like that with this electrical tape. Start troubleshooting here. We might find what the cause of the problem here. So I'll slice up the tapes, and boom, there. Doesn't seem like it's making good contacts. I 100% think this is the cause of the problem. And just to confirm that this is the culprit, I'm gonna reconnect it together just temporarily, and now we see a light LED on the sensor. This also indicates that there is a good connections. I may have done that in the beginning, check for lights on the sensors. This actually indicates good connections. And there you go, guys. The other side also has LED lights, as you can see. We have definitely found a culprit in this problem, guys. I'm gonna reconnect those wires with an electrical tape. I mean, you can use other connectors that you wish to use, but I'll just use electrical tape at this point, just so I can close my door. Note that if the sensors are also misaligned, you'll have this problem too. So let's tuck that in away from the sensor, guys. Alright. Now let's try closing the garage door. Boom, that works. Alright guys, we fixed the problem. It was a bad connection on the wiring. Thank you guys.